Hi everyone, Alexis here with the Park Group. Thank you for joining us for another walkthrough Wednesday. Today we are in West End and Nocatee, and I have Sam here with Dostie Homes, and Sam is going to be walking us through a quick move-in home they currently have available. So Sam, please tell us where we're at.
Alexis, thank you so much. We are happy to have you guys out here for our last one-story quick move-in home. This is the last opportunity to get in a one-story home from Dostie in one of our villas here at West End in the town center. We
Okay,
are so excited to have you guys inside.
let's take a look.
This beautiful front door.
Yes, bring in all that natural light.
Absolutely. So coming on in, this is our Adelphi plan. This is 786 square feet of conditioned living area.
Beautiful.
Carling is panning around the great room, living room, dining room, open kitchen area right now. But Carling, before we go that way, I want to point out a couple of things in this nice foyer. First of all, we've got a great light fixture. We do have a coat closet right here.
Love that.
So you guys are going to see a lot of storage built into this townhome, this villa. And we also have our half bath right here off of the foyer as well. So this is 1,786 square feet. It is 2.5 bathrooms. So the great room and dining room are both 9-foot ceilings that step up to 10. We use these step ups to try to be creative with where the living opportunity, the furnishing opportunities are going to be. So you can see over there on the wall, we are set up for a TV to be mounted there. In the living area, we've got this beautiful upgraded ceiling fan. And as Carling pans back, you're going to see all of this natural light filtering into the great room area of this home.
Which is great to have, because a lot of times you don't get this in a villa. So to have all this natural light, you guys did that with the doors, and then obviously the 3 windows here, stunning job. It's beautiful.
And you also see that we've got the blinds on the windows for you already. So we're walking through what will be the dining room area right now. We've left that dining room chandelier fixture out for you. You can definitely pick that yourself. But we did add these wonderful pendant lights over the large island unit. So this gourmet kitchen, we do have the stacked painted upper cabinets that go all the way to the ceiling. Again, another thing that you don't typically see in a villa. When I say gourmet kitchen, that's because we've got our gas cooktop. Nocatee is a gas community, natural gas. But we also have that microwave and separate oven right there on the wall. We also have a space here for your 36-inch wide refrigerator.
Beautiful. Yeah, it lives so large because you guys did that full stacked to the ceiling cabinets.
So when I pointed out storage, I was not kidding
Yeah.
there. Carling, as you're panning through there, you're seeing the front of that island with the single bowl stainless undermount sink. There is a small pantry here, but I say small because you're going to see what's around the corner. But we do have our 5 shelves in there, so still direct access to pantry storage is fantastic here.
Great.
I also like this upgraded hardware that the ladies in our office picked out.
Yeah, it's very coastal. Love with the blue tiles, and yeah.
That blue tile is one of the
hardware.
things that we get asked about a lot. So we were able to incorporate that to really tie into that coastal vibe. We're in Nocatee, after all. Ponte Vedra, right? Right around our
And these
corner
countertops are beautiful.
there. Yeah, the quartz countertops, again, that is one of the upgraded features in this house.
Seems like we're going to see a lot of upgraded features here.
You're going to see a lot of upgraded features in this home. Now, right through this opening, Carling, we do have 2 secondary bedrooms that are equal in size. They both have great closets, plenty of natural light filtering into each one of these.
They're both quite large, to be honest, for secondary bedrooms.
I think so as well. The hall bath in between, again, this is a 2.5 bath, so this can be the hall bath in between these 2 bedrooms, is quite large just because of the way the tub is tucked into a corner there. It allows us to get a linen closet behind the door that Carling is highlighting, and also a larger vanity.
You guys have truly utilized so much great space for storage, which is awesome. And I've noticed that now you've got 2 different windows in both bathrooms so far that we've seen. I love that you're bringing in that natural light.
Natural light in every room we can possibly get that in. And you know, some of those other highlights in that bathroom that Carling was just in is that quartz countertop, is that painted cabinetry again.
Yep.
That is one of the most popular colors we're seeing right now, is that painted cabinetry. As Carling pans back around the kitchen, just wanted to point out a couple of other things. We do have the stainless steel hood up here as well. And then I already pointed out the cabinets, but I wanted to show you that soft close on the cabinets as well as we went by. So I said that I was going to show you guys some more storage when I pointed out that pantry. So right here, as we start to come down this hallway, sorry I passed over the laundry room right there, Carly. This is a large double door storage closet. So this can easily be overflow pantry or whatever else you need that to be.
Yeah.
But right here in the laundry room, we do have ample room for your washer and dryer, and then we've also already pre-plumbed for a laundry sink.
That's great.
So for those of you that have small kids and need a laundry sink, or that have pets, you might have a small dog that you need to wash. There you go. And then that door that we didn't highlight is simply the AC unit, because the mechanical system is actually in the conditioned space of this home. Now right here, Carling, as you're painting around this nice volume, this is the perfect spot for some mudroom cubbies here in this family foyer. This could also be a great spot for a secondary desk that may be outside of one of the kids' rooms. Maybe you're an influencer. Maybe you need a little spot where you've got some pretty artwork behind you. But down here at the end of this family foyer, we do have our 2-car garage.
Perfect.
Just another thing I wanted to highlight here is not only the storage in the garage itself, because these are alley entry villas, is this walk-up storage that you're going to see here.
That is so nice.
That is a standard in Dostie Homes, that we do these pull-down attic stairs, and we give you some decked area up in the attic over the garage, because we're in Florida after all, so we don't have basements, right?
Yeah.
So we call that our Florida basement up there.
Yeah, quite a large garage for the size of a home, so awesome.
It is indeed. And then finally, Carling is going into the master suite. So 2 large windows have that sliding glass door. Again, those blinds that you're seeing, so we already have those installed. But this is the master bathroom. I really like this master bathroom. Double vanities. We're seeing the hardware on the cabinets again. We've got the frameless glass enclosure on that shower. Everybody wants the frameless glass enclosure. Tile to the ceiling, but also a tiled shampoo niche and a tiled bench seat.
That is such a nice upgrade.
So those are pretty fantastic. And then as Carling comes back out of there and she pans to the left, you're going to see another linen closet. So more storage. And then, of course, a lovely private water closet. So a lot of times, again, you don't see that in smaller villas where you have a private water closet. And in this particular home, we do have that.
And it's quite a large water closet there. And again, with that storage that we've been talking about.
So master suite is, again, that 9 to 10 foot ceiling. We have another one of those upgraded ceiling fans. So a little more contemporary, but still on that coastal side.
Beautiful.
And then down here, if Carling pans around, yes, you can see outside onto our covered lanai. You can see that we do have a fenced in backyard. So all the backyards here in West End do have this privacy fence separating you, that vinyl privacy fence. And then on the rear, they all have that black aluminum 4-foot high fence. So again, you can have a pet in your backyard back here. You can easily let them out this sliding glass door at night if they needed to go to the restroom.
Absolutely.
And then finally, we have our large walk-in closet.
Wow. That's a good size.
Recessed cam lighting in that closet.
Awesome. This is a great primary suite. And as a reminder to our viewers, we are in West End and Nocatee, so you have quick access to the West End Park. You are right in the heart of the town center, which is where you do all of your retail and commercial and shopping and that type of thing here as a resident, and then also quick access, I may say, to all of the Nocatee amenities, so the water parks and all the satellite pools. So you are truly in the heart of Nocatee when you are living here in West End. And it's your last opportunity for a 1-story here.
So this is, again, our last opportunity for a 1-story villa here in West End. We do have a few 2 stories left, but we're highlighting this 1-story Adelphi that is 1,786 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, all the upgrades, all the storage. And like you said, just so close to the amenities. We love West End Park. We are West End. We cannot believe that it's coming to an end.
I know.
So get out quick, reach out to David Hayes or reach out to us on our website, and we'll be glad to get you more information on this last home in West End.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Sam. This home is definitely not going to last long, so you definitely want to come out and see it and get here as quick as you can. So we hope you are having a fabulous day. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye, everybody.